first location for a trial of random drug testing for job seekers. Starting from next year, those who test positive will have their welfare payments diverted to income management. Welfare groups accuse the government of targeting vulnerable people.
The federal government says big increases in amphetamine-related offences and a surge in hospital admissions for ice has forced its hand.
This is a trial unashamedly about drug use, particularly focusing on amphetamines and ice, which are a major problem in communities like the one that we're standing in today.
Canterbury Bankstown in southwest Sydney is the first of 3 locations to be announced for the 2-year drug testing trial.
It should be everywhere, not just Bankstown, Canterbury area. Everyone's on it.
Yes, I reckon it's a fair thing because, you know, if they have got kids, they do have to look after them.
No one asks me where I spend my money. I don't think it's fair.
From January, more than 1,700 job seekers in the area will be subjected to random drug tests. The testing will take place at Centrelink or a nearby facility. Those who test positive will be placed on income management for 2 years. 80% of their fortnightly welfare payment will be put on a welfare card that can be exchanged for food and other essentials. Positive results will not be reported to police. Those found to be taking drugs may be required to take part in a treatment program as part of their job plan.
The design of this initiative is to identify those people who may have a drug habit and get them assistance to get off drugs and back into work.
Social welfare groups say the trial is misguided.
Every serious health expert in the country has advised the government against this.
The idea has been tried overseas in the United States and New Zealand.
It's now commercial in confidence in New Zealand, but the last figures we have are $1 million to find 22 people who tested positive. So that's $45,000 per positive test, really.
Health experts say it's money that could be better spent.
The cost of this intervention will actually divert money that could be put into treatment and actually may push some people who are already vulnerable over the edge into extreme hardship.
The government is yet to get its plan through Parliament.
We will not be supporting the drug trial that has been announced by Minister Tudge today.
This is a policy that's designed to get people off income support, not off drugs.
We want to make sure that there are clear costings and outcomes, and it's about helping people rather than punishing people.
The government says it will spend an extra $10 million on treatment for drug users.
This isn't designed to stigmatise or punish or penalise anyone.
The locations of the remaining 2 trials will be announced shortly. Philippa McDonald,